Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lamb steak using an easy method. First, choose your lamb steaks, aiming for cuts about 1 inch thick. Next, prepare a simple marinade with olive oil, garlic, rosemary, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This quick soak enhances the natural flavors of the lamb. We'll then discuss the best way to sear your steaks for a beautiful crust and tender interior. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat your lamb steaks completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a fantastic sear. Next, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra flavor boost, marinate them for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours in your chosen mixture. Remember to let the lamb come to room temperature for about 20 minutes before it hits the pan. Now for the cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet like cast iron over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your lamb steaks in the hot pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium-rare finish. For accuracy, use a meat thermometer to reach your preferred internal temperature. Once your lamb steaks are cooked to perfection, transfer them to a cutting board and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. When ready, slice the lamb against the grain into 0.5-inch thick pieces. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or rosemary adds a lovely touch. Serve your delicious lamb steak immediately with your preferred side dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.